Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today, healthy, tons of vegetables, easy, one pot, quick. Put it on the stove or in the oven, and at the end, it's amazingly simple and delicious. It's a lamb stew. It's very important whenever you're making a stew, a casserole or anything, is you brown your meat. I have here lamb shanks. I'm gonna add it to canola oil. Half cover it just so it doesn't splash. Slice an onion, some celery, leeks, carrots, garlic. What has browned, turn it over. If it hasn't, keep it until it browns. I'm going to remove everything now. And now all the vegetables are going into the pot. Bay leaf. I have a bouquet garni, black pepper, and 1 cube of beef stock. You can make your own, but this is about easy and quick today. A bit of salt. We're not putting too much salt now because the beef cubes have salt already. And then I've got some parsley, potatoes, and finally water. The smell is already amazing. Now you have the option to either cook it on the stove or in the oven. If you want to cook it in the oven, read the recipe and follow the instructions. This you need to cook until your lamb is very soft and just coming off the bone. Make sure you check on the water because you don't want it going down too quick before the lamb is cooked. Look at the meat. The meat is so soft. It's falling off the bones. I'm gonna finish with just a sprinkle of parsley. And now for the tasting. This is simple food at its best. Enjoy.